Happy New Year. Welcome to 2020 and also to a new decade. This week's blog celebrates happiness in the workplace. So I wanted to talk about happiness because it's such a huge topic, and happiness in the workplace is really important, where we spend nearly half of our lives. But we can't find happiness anywhere until we find it within ourselves. This week's blog explores exactly that, and how some of us, how we become unhappy, and what mindset that is connected to, as opposed to discovering happiness, possibility and health in our lives. So jump on this week's blog, you'll find some questions to ask yourself, and some tips and tools. But for now, I want you to think of what your goal is. Just think of one goal. And I want you to sit with that goal, and I want you to sit with any inner resistance that you might find, or you might be feeling within yourself. And you can ask yourself, with your goal, what are you believing? Do you believe it can be possible for you? Do you believe in yourself? And if you do, that's great, and that's an alignment, and that's where you won't typically feel an inner conflict. You can make it happen for you quite easily, and you lean in and you move forward. And this is also very, very energy boosting and healthy for the body. But sometimes there is an inner conflict. So this week I wanted to work through that with you all, because you can change your mind. You can change your mind about what you're believing and what can be possible for you. And when you do, that is when you can truly transform your life. So enjoy this week's blog. It's great to see you all, and Happy New Year.